Yo, hello YouTube family, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and this is CEO Traders once again. So in today's video, without wasting much of your time, it's gonna be a trade recap. So this is a trade we took today. We shared this trade in our Telegram channel, not a VIP Telegram, a free one, where we always share like our daily signals. So if you want to join our Telegram, be sure to comment join on this video actually, and we'll be sharing with you a link for free. We will share these signals. So let's jump right into the charts, but before, let me show you this in our Telegram. Yeah, this is our channel. So you see, we shared this signal today. It was like it was approximately 14 minutes to 11. So we shared this signal. This is the setup we had. I knew that the trade was gonna come tap into our point of interest and just shoot up. So you see, at 13 minutes past midday, you see the trade was already doing so good and people were already in profits. Those that entered, you see, this was at like, this was at, let me see, this was at 3 p.m. This is how the trade was playing, so good. And I think the trade is still running even now. When we go to trading view, you see, this is the trade still open. So I'm hoping for this trade to continue up, but those who had their positions have already closed their partials, and just the rest of the trade is running risk free. So let me show you how I got this trade. Firstly, on the daily time frame, you see, when you go to the daily time frame, this was like an overall uptrend. You see, GBPJPY has been in an overall uptrend. So we know that in an uptrend, we are always looking for buys. That's why they always say flow with the trend, follow the trend, whatever. So when I saw it was an uptrend, so we are looking for buys. So I came and I was looking at the range that we are trading in. So when I mark this high here and this low, you see we are trading within this range. So why do we consider this the range that we are trading in? Just because we have a break of structure here. We have this break of structure to the upside, and this break of structure to the upside is confirming that the uptrend is still valid, you know. So when you're breaking structure to the upside, we know that the trend is continuing up. When we are breaking structure to the downside, we know that the trend is continuing down. So here you see we broke structure to the upside, and this was a retracement here. Let me show you this. This is a retracement. So from this high, this is a retracement. So I was waiting for this price to tap into a point of interest and continue going up to take out this liquidity on this high. So that was the first picture I got when I viewed this chart. So I went on a lower time frame. Let's go to a lower time frame, like the H4. So on the H4, we are looking for points of interest. You see, we have this here, this point of interest. We have this point of interest that I'm going to mark with my. You see, there is this area of selling pressure before the market, before like the buyers broke the structure on the other side, like with momentum. So I saw this area had some imbalance. You see, there is an imbalance here. let me mark it with the trend line. So you see from here, sorry, let me mark it with the rectangle. Sorry. So this is the imbalance I'm meaning. If you have been in the forex field for some time, you now know what an imbalance is. So I expected price to come and fill that imbalance, but you see, area price came and tapped into that imbalance and started going up, bringing in like the early buyers here. You see, price came and tapped into this fair value gap or imbalance and then started going up here. These are the early buyers, the inducement. So if you use smart money concepts, ICT concepts, you will know that we are always looking for liquidity, sell side liquidity, buy side liquidity. So I saw all this liquidity that was building after they pushed. You see, this all liquidity, all these positions. So market was indecisive of where it was going. So you see, I was expecting market to come and take this liquidity, these stops for the early buyers, and then continue from there, tap into my point of interest, and then continue going higher to higher prices, you know. So that was like the whole analysis. Then I went to a lower time frame, to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, you see, we're in our point of interest on the 1 hour. So my entry time frame is always on the M15. So let's go to the 15 minutes and see where I entered. So coming to the M15, we see we were in a downtrend. Like for a long time we had been in a very good downtrend. We were trending to lower price, like break. You see, we are breaking structure to the downside. This is a high. Then we put in this high, and without any lower price, like price pushing lower, we had to immediately reverse and break the structure up. So that was to me considered a change of character. So that's when I got this setup, and price was doing all this, creating all this liquidity here. I knew that price would come, tap into a point of interest on the M15 and then go up. So basically that's what happened, you see. And you see the way market reacted, like to the point of interest. And remember, all this I was confirming using my point of interest, because my point of interest was down here. It was down. Let me first draw it and you see. It was down here. So the direction that broke structure, that gave me an entry for a change of character, was coming from my point of interest. You see, this is it here. This dodge was formed in my point of interest. That's what gave me extra confirmation that market was deciding to reverse now. So market tapped there and gave me a good change of character here. So now I knew that price would come for fair value or come for equilibrium and then would shoot up. So when we use my premium and discount tool, this was the high, and this here was the low. Sorry, You see, price was just at the 50 came tapped onto just the 50% and shot up. That's how I got this entry. Yeah, that's how I got that entry, and I hope price is gonna continue to this and take this liquidity up here that high. But yeah, that's it. Let me stop here, for I don't want this video to be a very long one. But if you have any questions, please remember you can comment down below and you'll be answered. If you like the content, be sure to like, subscribe to our channel, because more is coming, more content is coming, I promise. And that's all for now. Have a nice time and happy trading, guys. Peace.